Hey, gorgeous boy. What are you doing at my door? Hello? Would you like something? I have something for you. I've just got like a little seed. Would you like it? Oh, another one flew past. Okay. And hello. Would you like one, or are you too shy? No, I think you're too shy. That's okay. You're allowed to be shy. There are a couple of King Parrots around, actually. There's one up there. Alright. Well, would you like another one? There you go. Oh, hello. You're being brave. Alright. Would you like something as well? Very cute. I'll see if she wants something. Hello. Alright, I know. You're gorgeous. That's true. Oh, one piece. Hello. Do you know how this game works? Gotta find a way to come closer. He knows how this game works. Actually, I want to see what he'll do with my hand in the way. Oh. Alright, he's a smart boy. Alright, you. You have to come over. Oh, here you go. Alright. Hey, you. Hey. Alright. How about another day then? Okay? Alright. Alright, see ya. Very cute. Alright, bye.